A narrow alleyway just metres from Dundee city centre, littered with broken glass and signs of drug use.
And that's kind of the thing, it's like up here, rat-infested alleyways or, a safe place which is sterile.
The idea of an overdose prevention centre, also known as a drug consumption room, has been of much debate for years. Peter Crikent, who's battled addiction himself, ran the UK's first service from this ambulance in Glasgow. He was given approval from the then Lord Advocate, and he's confident he'll be supported again to create a permanent facility there and one in Dundee.
I believe that no laws are actually being broken under the Misuse of Drugs Act, other than the possession of the substance from the people who are using the centre. We can get around that with a simple memorandum of understanding or a letter of comfort from the Lord Advocate, and thankfully the Scottish Lord Advocate Dorothy Bain QC has said that she's going to look at fresh proposals.
That decision has cast doubt on the previous belief that only the UK government could legalise consumption rooms. It continues to oppose the idea. The Scottish government is in favour. Social justice charity Cranstoun will meet with politicians at Holyrood this week.
When we talk about overdose prevention centres, we're wanting to get to people who are least likely to come into our services. So that's why we want to collaborate with existing drug and alcohol services, collaborate with existing partnerships to engage the people who need us the most.
Plans for a centre in Glasgow, which would be the first permanent one in the UK, are currently sitting with the Crown Office. If approved, it could pave the way for a facility to be set up in Dundee.
Our proposal is to provide a fixed location, but that could be added on to with mobile facilities. We see those models working in places like Barcelona, but initially a fixed site would give people that centralised place to come where they can, as I say, take those drugs in a safer environment.
The long-discussed idea of consumption rooms may not be far away from reality. Campaigners know it won't act as a silver bullet, but are hopeful it could begin to turn the tide on Scotland's drug deaths crisis.